Hi guys, welcome to another video. I really wanted to film today, but I had absolutely no idea what I wanted to film. And when I woke up, I checked my phone and I got a notification that what I've been waiting for the past like 2 or 3 weeks is finally here, and that is my fall FAB FIT FUN box. So this is my second season getting a FAB FIT FUN box. My first box was a summer box, which was probably like 3 months ago, and I absolutely loved the box. The subscription's cost is $49.99 every season, and for your first box you'll get it for $39.99, so $10 off. And this is a seasonal box, meaning you only get it 4 times a year during the summer, spring, winter, and the fall. And the box is guaranteed a value of over $200, I believe, which is a great deal. So you can either choose to buy the whole year in advance, and I think you get to choose 5 out of 8 of the products in every box, or you can choose to pay every season, which is what I do, and you get to choose, I think it's 3 out of the 8 items in every box. So yeah, I think that's enough background information for you guys. I'm so excited to open this up on camera. I have not opened this. There is one thing that I already use, and it's a curling iron, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. That was one of my choice items, and I made Liz go open the box for me and then bring the curling iron out, and then I was going to close the box up because I don't want to see anything in it. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. Let's open it up. Okay, so when you open it up, it has the super cute logo FAB FIT FUN and this really yellow and white print, very pretty in the background, and it comes in this tissue paper. Okay, so every season we get a magazine. This is Padma Lakshmi. I don't know who this is, but she's on the cover. It has every single item that could have been possible in the box this season in the magazine. And then just a bunch of like lifestyle news, like how to use certain items, what's in this season, and stuff like that. To be honest with you, I don't really like read these. Ooh, okay, this was not in the magazine last season, but I love anything that has to do with horoscopes. Aquarius, craft your Halloween costume. Aquarius is always putting a personal spin on things. True. So let your creativity shine through your Halloween costume. Fabric, glue guns, crystal, make something totally unique to you. What am I gonna be for Halloween this year? I gotta make it. Okay, so that's that. It's a very pink, like pink-esque box this season. Okay, I'm just gonna pick this first because I already used this. So this is the Foxy Bay Rose Gold 25mm curling wand. So I am the type of person that prefers to have my hair curled than straightened. Although I already have curly hair, I curl it anyways. Does that make sense? But yeah, so I curl my hair with a straightener just because I like to make sure these little parts in the front are super straight and pinned down, and then the rest with like loose waves. So I don't really gravitate towards curling wands. However, I know that your hair lasts longer throughout the day with a curling wand, so that's why I chose this as one of my items. And I knew I was going to do my hair for this video, so I was like, Liz, can you please go get the curling iron out? And she did. So yeah, I'll have a little video playing in the background of me talking right now. You guys can see how easy it was to use. Literally every single strand that I put on the wand, I didn't need to put it for more than like 4 seconds. Very user friendly. The only thing with this is that I couldn't control the temperature. So you guys can see there's only like a little button. There was no temperature like indicator. So I don't really know how hot the wand got. It got hot enough where like it curled my hair. But I wish I could have been able to control the temperature, because that is something you couldn't do. It was either on or off. So I'm super excited I got this in the box. Okay, if I'm being honest with you, I do not remember the other items that I chose, just because that was the only item I was like actually excited for. So this is as much a surprise to me as it is to you. Okay, the next thing we're gonna choose is this. First of all, the packaging is so cute. It's in a little like milk. This is in like a little milk carton. Absolutely gorgeous. Has a little happy face, and it says it's from the brand called the Beauty Crop, and this product is called Glow Milk. So it is basically a new illuminating milk for face and body. Glow Milk is liquid radiance in a bottle. Creates a long-lasting lit from within look with our champagne colored liquid highlighter. Enriched with coconut, Glow Milk hydrates while illuminating the skin. And it just says shake it up. I'm not really sure if this, I don't want to ruin the packaging. I'll open it from under. I don't really understand what this product is. Like, is it a primer? Is it a moisturizer? So I pull this little tab and the whole milk carton comes apart. And oh, okay, this is a liquid highlighter, as you guys can see. Wow, okay, I don't really need this, which makes me kind of sad, because I just got a liquid highlighter from Rare Beauty that I love and I'm actually wearing today. And yeah, So I might give this away in the giveaway, which I will talk about in my next video. Stay tuned. But yeah, so it claims to be vegan and it's nourished with coconut and argan oil. Argan oil is really good for you and it's cruelty free. It looks like such a cute product, but I honestly don't need it in my collection. I have way too many highlighters and I already have a liquid highlighter that I just started, so I might be giving this away to one of you guys if I can figure out how to put this back in. Okay, all right, next item in the box that I'm gonna grab is, oh, this is heavy. Okay, what are you? It says, guess what, you'll be naked in 1 minute. It's the original coffee scrub. I'm so happy. So I love coffee scrubs. I'll have the one that I'm using right now up here in a picture. It's literally amazing, and I was running out and I actually wanted to buy one. Did I choose this? I think I might have chosen this as one of my items. But coffee scrubs are so delicious on your skin, guys, especially if you're a coffee lover. Like, you're gonna love the feeling of your body kind of like waking up with that boost of caffeine, and then the smell of coffee. It's just the best thing in the world. So this one's by the brand Frank Body, which I don't think is the brand that I'm using right now. It has these super cute pictured instructions in the back. I honestly love coffee scrubs. If you guys can get your hands on any of them, I'll have this one linked down below, but as well as like you can go to like Marshall's or Ross or something and you'll definitely find some there for like $5 or something. They're amazing, and especially if you're a coffee lover. Oh, this smells amazing. All right, next thing in the box I'm gonna grab is these. So this is from the brand 8 Other Reasons, and these just look like some hair clips. I'm honestly kind of disappointed I got this in the box, just because like when I bought hair clips, as you guys have seen me use in my last video with my Rare Beauty to put my hair up, I don't really use hair clips like that. These are really pretty. You guys can see it's like that marbled crystal pattern, but I just don't really use hair clips like that, and it kind of seems like a waste of a product. Like, who honestly wants to pay $50 for a subscription to get some hair clips that you could spend like $5 on like Amazon or something? I'm sure the retail value of these are like insane, but yeah, but definitely not very excited over this. All right, next thing on the box is this. This is the Glossmatics hair removal device. I have a little bit of a mustache going on right now because, you know, we're in quarantine. I felt like the little razors were kind of irritating my skin, so I stopped using them, and I bought a wax kit and I was gonna wax my mustache, but now I'm kind of intrigued to use this. This device will instantly and painlessly sweep away unwanted hair from any area of your body. Its discreet and portable design will allow you to carry it with you anywhere. Oh my god, I shaved my arms last night and I really wish I didn't, so I could have like tried it on something. Wait, do you have hair on your arms? So the good thing about this is that it already comes with a battery, so you don't have to like go to the dollar store to get a pack of batteries, which is amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna assume these little, let me show you guys. Okay, I'm gonna assume those little blades you guys see right there, what's gonna like cut off the hair. Okay, so we've decided we're gonna take Lizette's mustache off. Does it tingle? Like, what does it feel like?
Just like metal. Like no like cuts or anything.
Okay, let me see. I don't know if they can tell. My mustache is gone. Like, there's no hair there. Okay. I don't know if I took the wrong cap off or maybe it just wasn't enough hair, but it worked. Like, Lizette's mustache. Oh. This mustache is gone. I definitely want to try this with mine and I'll keep you guys updated. I'm just wearing makeup, so I don't want to do it right now, but this is cool. Moving on, let's see what else we got in here. I got this. This is a Daniel Stone perfume in 001 Santal Noir room spray. Okay, I chose this because I love my room to smell like something. I always have a scent going on. Right now I have my blueberry pie candle on, but I really love my Febreze pumpkin spice, no, just Febreze pumpkin spray. And when I saw that they had a room spray, I was like, oh, I wonder what that's gonna smell like. So yeah, so it says complex sandalwood fragrance with a spicy cardamom top note. The dry down of amber musk supports the fragrance mango blossom and strawberries into a base of vanilla and musky notes. Okay, so I'm gonna spray this right now because I really want to see what it smells like. It comes taped, which is really good and secure. Let's give it a nice little shake. The bottle, I will say, is very elegant. It is plastic, but it's like a hard plastic, so it's cute. It definitely will sit pretty on my desk. So I'm not mad at that smell. This is gonna sound weird, but it kind of smells like a men's cologne plus like chile mango, like mango chile dried candy. You guys don't know what that is, I'll have a picture of it up. It smells like when you put those two together. Like, I don't know why you would put those two together, but that's what this smells like. You just need to like that musky but like chile smell. I don't know how to explain it. I think this would smell a lot better in Carlos's room, so I'm gonna give it to him. All right, so next thing in the box is this. What are you? Well, it says made in China. Oh, I know exactly what this is, and I'm so happy I got it. Okay, so these are blue light blocking reflecting glasses. So I got these because, one, we're all doing online school this semester. There's no in-person, and staring at a computer for too long honestly does make my contacts get really dry. So I had been wanting to get a new pair of glasses anyways. I actually did buy a new pair of glasses, but with blue light in them. And the reason I didn't get them like that, I just got like a normal pair of glasses, is because I don't really wear my glasses that often. But I remember that I chose this as one of my items. This would look so cute with my outfit right now. Oh my god, these are so cute. Okay, these are basically blue light reflecting glasses, and that's what they are. I think these are pretty pricey, but they're supposed to really protect your eyes. They feel a little bit weird on. I don't wear glasses like normal everyday to day. I wear contacts, but these are cute. Let me FaceTime Carlos and see what he thinks. I told him I bought new glasses, but I don't think he remembers like what they look like, so I'm gonna tell him these are the ones that I bought. He just showed me his mom, so I won't say anything stupid. What do you think?
Like them.
They're cute?
Yeah.
I like them though.
They look good.
Yeah?
Can you see the other ones?
He thinks so. I bought 2 pairs of glasses, and I told him I was gonna keep another one at his house for when like I get too tired to like drive home with my contacts. I just put on my glasses. And he was like, where are the other ones? But he liked them, so I might just wear these for funsies because they're really cute, to be honest with you. Oh my god, I kind of want like a pair of like glasses with these. I would wear my prescription glasses if my frame was like this. They're so cute. Okay, I'm done obsessing over my glasses. Let's look at the last thing. Okay, so the last thing in here is, this says Petty in a Box Deluxe 4-Step Pumpkin Spice. Wait, what is this? Oh, includes two complete 4-step pedicure kits. This is a pedicure kit? Oh my god, I'm excited. Okay, so this is like pumpkin scented pretty much, and you guys can see the numbers. It says 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's basically to put in your water as if you're having a pedicure. So this is like the salt soak, the sugar scrub, the mud mask, and the massage butter. This is really cute. I'm definitely gonna do the other, because it comes with like 2 complete ones. I'm gonna do the other one with my mom or with Liz, depending on whoever wants to do it. All right, and the last couple things in the box, I can't reach them, are these. We always get coupons in the box. Okay, so this coupon is $45 credit to Bright Cellars. I might give this to my mom. My mom is a really big like wine lover, so she could get $45 off like an $100 purchase. That's pretty like good. And then we get $80 off of HelloFresh, and includes free shipping on our first box. Might want to try HelloFresh since we're all like home anyways and cooking for ourselves now, like we might as well. And then this is like a coupon for one of you guys. If anybody wants it, let me know. This is $15 off your first FAB FIT FUN box. So instead of getting your first box for $39.99, you could get it for $34.99. Just hit me up on any of my social medias. I'll have them linked right here on the screen, as well as down below, and I'll send you the coupon. I think it only works on one. It doesn't say, it just says you have to be a new member, so I'm pretty sure a lot of you could use this coupon. If you want it, just hit me up on social media and I'll send it to you. But yeah guys, that pretty much concludes today's video. Overall, my favorite things in the box were definitely the curling iron. I love the way my hair looks. It looks so shiny and pretty. I love these glasses so much. I definitely love the coffee scrub. I want to play around with this a little bit more. I'll keep you guys updated how it works. I'm pretty sure by the time this video goes up, I will have like tried this already. These I didn't really care for. I don't wear hair accessories like that, and I feel like this is something kind of cheapy to put in the box. The face highlighter was really pretty. I honestly love the color, but I just don't need one. The room spray, really nice to have. I love the Target room sprays that they have. I just want to like test this out to see if I like it a little bit more. The pedicure kit is really cute, something I've never seen before, to be honest. I know you could put like sea salts in different kinds like in your baths, but I never knew there was like a pedicure kit. That's like so freaking cute. I'll have the retail value of the box this season right here on the screen. Now, is it worth the value? Honestly, yes it is, because you're getting a lot for your buck. I think I'm gonna end up paying like the whole year in advance so I can choose a couple more of the items that I like, because honestly the items that I did choose myself I really genuinely enjoyed, and things like this that I'm like I wouldn't have chose this and I wish I would have chose the other options probably would have made my experience a lot better. So out of 10 I'm gonna give this box like a 7.5. Like, it's good but it's not amazing, but I will definitely be getting the winter box because I love subscription boxes. I do think you're getting a lot for your money's worth, and I just freaking love these glasses. But yeah, with that being said, I love you guys so much. Thank you if you stayed to the end of this video. I know we made it to 160 subscribers, so thank you guys so much. Information on the giveaway will be on the next video, which will be live probably like Saturday. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye guys. These glasses, like, bro, what the fuck, they're so cute.